In this video, I'll show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. There are a couple of different ways that you can do this, and it will differ depending on what country you're in. The first thing you can do is go to menu in the bottom right hand corner, or it could be in the top right if you're on Android. Then click on your profile icon. Here you can see if you have a standard account or a professional account. If you have a standard personal account, what you need to do is go back, then go to the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once you are in settings, if you scroll down and go to audience and visibility, you may see public locking. If you click on that, you can then lock your profile if it is available in the region you're currently in. Now, for me, that is not available, so we're going to have to lock it manually. To lock it manually, we can go ahead and change some settings. So let's go to how people can find and contact you. And then here, who can send you friend requests? Change it to friends of friends. Who can see your friends list? Change that to only me. And we need to go through these and change it to the most locked down setting. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Make sure this is turned off. Here you've got message requests, which you can go ahead and change to don't receive requests. And then you can follow those down and change them as well. Then go to followers and public content. Who can follow me? Change it to friends. Who can see your followers? I've changed it to only me. Who can see people and pages you follow? Again, change it to friends or even close friends. Again, it's a case of going down all of these settings. Who can comment on your public posts? I'm going to change to friends. Notifications, only me. Public profile info is also on friends. Then we get to active status, which we can click on, and we can turn this off. Then we are fully locked down, and we've essentially locked our profile without clicking on the locked button. If that helped, please do leave a like and let me know.